Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this Zone of Am box and to look at the content. And what we have in here is a Revell kit, a Razor Crest, the ship from the Mandalorian TV series. So 1:72 scale model. Few pictures on the outside. On the back there's the story of what it is, the Razor Quest, and how it fits into the Mandalorian series. There's also, just here, a colour guide of 10 paints, Revell enamel paints. It's a pity it's enamel because I've got plenty of acrylic. So let's have a look in the box, see what is inside. First thing that comes out on its own is a major part of the I think that's the bottom of the ship. You've got that's one sprue there. There's two sprues there. The top of the ship and two sprues there. So there's over 100 parts on it to get all together. There's a sprue of clear plastic fittings and a manual. So let's have a look at the manual. Level 3 Revell kit. Please note the enclosed safety device. All the actions of what you've got to do listed in all the different languages. It tells you here, or shows you how to put it together. And then we have a list of all the paints that are needed. That one and that one on this page is a mixture 50-50 of two different colours. So not only have I now got to go and get some Revell paints, I need some droppers to be able to do this mixing. I have some little jars in the shipyard. It also says I need decal salt and clear cement, so I'll have to look into that. There's another page of 3 more paints, and then it explains to use droppers to mix them together. Safety advice: do not drink, eat or smoke while working with products containing solvents. And then we have a sheet of decals. If I remember rightly, Revell's a German company, but this is printed in Italy. So we'll put them to one side. Then there's a picture of two of the sprues, sprue A and B. C, D, E is the bottom, F is the clear plastics, and G is that one, which includes the stand. And then the actual making of the ship is in detail form. We'll look at this closer with another camera when I start to do it. But the part one is you take two of the parts from C11 and C12, and they have to be painted 4 different colours and a decal, 2 decals put on them, on one of them. It seems everything in here has to be painted before. There's a pilot, the front of the ship. So this is going to be a long job. It's a lot of painting, gluing. I have got some revell glue. So that make the engines make the stand. Right, you've got a choice now. You've got a choice. When you get to this stage, stage 33, if you want the craft flying on the stand, you do these, because if you can see that, it says flying, and then the other page it says landed. So if you're having it landed, you need to put the ramps down and things in a different position. I'm wondering whether it would look the same with it down on the stand. And then there's 2 pages of painting and where the decals go. So this should be a nice little project. I might have to change camera. Well, I will have to change camera because this is being filmed on the Nikon, so I will have to change camera, I should think, to get some close-up views, because at the moment I've got a 27mm lens in, which is on full aperture at the moment, so it seems to be going alright. So that's that for now. I'll come back when I've got 10 pots of paint, some glue, some decal, and that's what it should look like when it's finished. So I'll say bye for now, and we'll come back when I've got the accoutrements of the paint and stuff, and start to do the first part.